The Xiaomi 12 series has just launched a few days back, and with it comes the MIUI 13. While MIUI brings a bunch of new features and improvements, including some privacy features and a new system font, not only that, a set of new wallpapers too. So if you are not in the market for a new phone but you want to give your current device the Xiaomi 12 look, you can do it now. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you download and use the latest MIUI 13 wallpapers. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the video. The MIUI 13 comes with in total of 43 wallpapers. They are divided further into 5 categories: the molten glass, the crystallization, the concerto, the natural texture, and the black gobi. Now just click on the zip file in the description down below and now extract and install the same. And now boom, your brand new bunch of latest MIUI 13 wallpapers are now on your device. You can adjust them and apply according to your device resolution. The MIUI 13 also has a set of new wallpapers that are live wallpapers, and now they aren't available for download yet. I will share those too when they become available. So this was all for the today's video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos. And also comment below if you end up using these wallpapers and which you use. So okay, bye bye.